Hello, students and staff, friends and neighbors. I am Elizabeth Durant, and I am honored to serve on the Parkrose School Board of Education as we celebrate Classified Staff Appreciation Week. Today, we especially want to say thank you to our custodial and maintenance staff. So thank you. Thank you to the custodians at our elementary and middle and high schools. Thank you to our pool staff, to our district groundskeeper, to our HVAC staff, to our custodial lead, to our facilities coordinator. Thank you to each person who works so hard to maintain and clean and repair our most expensive assets, our buildings and our grounds. I know that COVID-19 has been challenging, and so thank you for your flexibility and diligence in following the ever-changing guidelines. Thank you for the early hours and the late night shifts. Thank you for maintaining a pool that is so important to so many in our community. Thank you for your creativity and your strategic thinking about ways that we might use our buildings to better serve our kids. Thank you, too, for the hard work in the summer. I know in our family, Grandpa Steve, 32 years, retired school custodian. Summer is busy. Summer is busy. So thank you for all of the hard work and for positively embracing new changes. I know there has been changes in staff, and your positive attitudes and your diligence have meant so much. Most of all, thank you for the ways you connect with our kids. Shout out to Mr. Mack at Sacramento. We love you. But thanks to each custodian who has taken a moment from the daily work to connect with a kid. It means so much to us as parents and as teachers and as a community. So thank you on behalf of the Parkrose School Board of Education to our maintenance and custodial staff. We are Parkrose strong because of you and the work you do. And we could not do this without you. You rock.